create. I am here to show you how to create a Google Class in your Google Classroom. Now, I am using a computer that has many different email addresses. Now, I want to ensure that the email address that I use is one that has the CDOM or a G Suite, educational G Suite account. And I work at Camperdown High School, so I will have a cdown.edu.jm personalized email address for the business or for the institution. So I select on that, and now I see the icon change. Now, this is the icon that shows me my account. If I press on it, I see all my accounts. If I press on this icon, I'll see all the apps that makes the educational suite that my institution is using. Now, if I go across, this will send me to images, right? And this will open my Gmail. Now, what I want to do is open the app list that shows me all the apps, and right there I'll search and go to Classroom. This is the Google Classroom. So you press on that and it will bring you to the home page of your Google Classroom. Now, as you can see, I am a student in many classes, and also I am a creator of one class. Now, the home page carries a menu button, which is these three horizontal lines. If you press on it, you will see all the majority of the information plus the setting for your classroom. So to go to the home page at all time, you select classes, and I'm back to the home page. So the menu button closes or collapses. Now, across from the menu button, the Google Classroom logo or word, you will see a plus button, 9 dots that stands for the app list, and my icon that tells me the different accounts that I'm using on this computer. Now, to create a classroom, you want to press on the plus button, where you see where you can join a classroom or create a classroom. Now, to join a classroom, let me quickly say, you will have to put in a class code. If you use this method to join a classroom, you will have to put in a class code that is provided by your instructor. Now, we do not want to join a classroom. That's not the objective. The objective, the aim, is to create a classroom. So I'll press back the plus button, go down to create, and select on create. If it's the first that you're doing it, you'll see a prompt come up that tells you the term of service. You agree, and after you agree, you're sent to this page. Now, if you notice down here, you will see cancel, you will see create, but you notice that the word create is gray, very light gray. If I should type in demo, let's name my class demo, and just type in a subject, and if when you put in a subject, if Google Classroom or if Google picks up the unique name, then what will happen, you will get a very unique background on your page. Now, if you notice down here, you will get the word create highlighted, and it is activated with a blue color. Depending on the theme that Google gives you randomly, sometimes it will be green, sometimes it will be dark brown, but most time you'll see it becomes blue. You press on it, and you will be creating your very first class. Now, depending on your speed of your internet, it will take time. Now, using your Google Suite account, meaning that's an account that does not have at gmail.com, but it is customized to the institution, right? You will be sent to a stream page that carries three things at the top. You will have the name of the class, your class code, and your Meet link. If you should use a private account like any of these that I have down here, that is at gmail.com, what you will notice is that you will not get the Meet link generated here. Good? It will not be generated. Now, when you form a class for the first time, you will get a prompt to generate a link. I am not doing this for the first time with this account, so it didn't give me the prompt. Now, it is simple. At Meet link, all you need to do is to press. If you did not get the prompt, just press where you see, put your cursor over generate Meet link, and you notice this is underlined. It means that there is a link there. So you just press on it. You see the prompt come up now. Generate Meet link. When you generate Meet link, you can copy this link, send it via WhatsApp or send it via email. You can turn the link on, the visibility of the link, that when the student access the classroom, they can see the Meet link. Or you can turn it off, that when the students have access to the classroom, they don't see it, which is a sort of a security feature. You don't want to be having your Meet link out there to students who might misuse your link. Good? But I'll turn it on to keep it for demonstration purposes. Then I'll save. Now, if you look, it is no longer generate Meet link, but there is a Meet link. Now, you have successfully created your Google Classroom, but point to note, this is what we call the stream page. Good? And on your Google Classroom carries four pages. Four important pages: the stream, the classwork, people, and grade, which you will see me explaining in another video clip. I hope this helps you in creating your Google Classroom. Please have fun. It is fun.